We'll guide you through how to move a YouTube playlist to another account or channel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So perhaps you're finding you mainly go and use a different account or channel now and so you want to go and move it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's full guide so you don't go and miss anything important. So if we come into the top left, press the three lines to expand the list here and come down and find the option for playlists. The playlist I want to do this with is this one here. So what you want to do is go and switch to the account that you want to do this on. So I'm going to go and do that now. After switching, press your account picture in the top right. Go down and press Studio. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and press Create and press New Playlist. Now you can go and name this. I just like to go and name it what the other one's currently called. It can go and be different if you want it to be. And I'll just go and set the visibility to unlisted. Then what you want to do is go and press Create. Now you want to go and come back to YouTube. Come over to the left and you need to go into the U section and go and find playlists. And you can then go and find the playlist and press View Full Playlist beneath it. You need to go and press on the three dots to the right and press Collaborate. Switch this on and press Copy Invite Link. Now we can come back to the other account. If this is somebody else you're doing this with, you can go and send them the link. Go to the address bar and you can go and paste in the Collaborate link like so and go to it. Then you can go and press Join. Now what you need to do is go and press Playlists over to the left. Go and find the playlist and go and press View Full Playlist like so. And then you want to go and press the three dots over to the right and go and press Add All To. And you can then go and select it like this. So now they've gone and been added. So you can press the account picture in the top right and press Switch Account. And if we go over to the left and we go and press Playlists, we can come into the favorites and here it is. What you can then do if you want to is go and turn off Collaborate. And that's it, it'll just be yours. Leave a like if you found this useful.